Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. I am excited to be here because today I'm going to be talking to you guys about deep conditioners. So I did a video previously and I talked to you guys about some of my favorite shampoos to use at home as well as in my salon. So I wanted to come back and show you guys some of the deep conditioners that I use at home and in the salon. So these products can be found in local retail stores. Some might be a little bit harder to find because you do need a license to get these products, but we all know that you're able to find everything online, honey. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite deep conditioners to use on natural hair as well as on relaxed hair. You can use them on both, and then I'm going to talk to you about how they work, what I use them for, and what they do. So let's jump into today's video. So the first deep conditioner I want to share with you guys is one of my all-time favorites. I've been using it for years, and this is the KeraCare Humecto deep conditioner. I like this deep conditioner because I'm able to mix and match it with other conditioners. I also love this because it is a hydrator and it helps to lock in moisture or prevent moisture loss from chemicals as well as from heat styling. And you use this by applying it to the hair when the hair is wet, and you leave it on the hair for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use a plastic cap. If you're at home and you have a plastic bag, that works as well. And you allow this to kind of create a heat cap on your head. You leave it on for about 15-20 minutes and then you rinse out in cool water. I want you to kind of keep this in the back of your mind because I'm going to talk about this a little bit later on. So hold on to this one. So the next product is a oldie but goodie as well, and I know you guys, if you are into hair care, you have heard about this. Even when you were relaxed, I know you guys have heard about this. This is the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer. I love this conditioner because it helps the hair to stay on a natural or neutral pH. If you are familiar with the pH scale, you know that basically measures how acidic a product is. So we can go from water all the way up to lemons, all the way up to an acid, right? So if you want to make sure that your hair is balanced with its moisture levels, you definitely want to make sure that your hair is not too acidic. So products like Aphogee help to balance out the moisture levels in the hair, and I absolutely love this product. You typically will use this in conjunction with the protein treatment, but I have found that when you use just the balancing moisturizer by itself, it does wonders for the hair. It can be used on hair that is natural. Natural hair typically isn't off of its pH balance, but relaxed hair is because it has been broken down due to the chemical process, and this helps to balance it out. So I highly recommend this for you ladies who still have chemicals in your hair like relaxer and color, but if you are natural, this works well as well. I would recommend to put this on your hair 15 to 20 minutes under a dryer, under a heat cap, and it is going to be fabulous. If you are an OG on my channel, you see me talk about this product all the time because I love it. It's fabulous. And this one is the FREEBIES Deep Conditioner by Mizani. Mizani is a oldie but goodie, especially as a professional brand. I can go on and on about Mizani, but so this is the basic moisture deep conditioner. This product is made to smooth the surface of the hair as well as to smooth the cuticle of the hair. It gives the hair more of a shine and luster because the cuticles are intact and not so wiry and broken off. So it is really good to help smooth the surface of that cuticle and also help to soften the hair. This deep conditioner also has polymers inside of the conditioner to help give the hair a lot of shine and body. So if you have fine hair or you have a fine grade of hair, this is going to give you so much volume because of the polymers that are attached to the hair strands. And I absolutely love this product as well. And like I said before, keep this deep conditioner in the back of your mind because we're going to talk about this a little bit later on when we get to some of our other deep conditioners. This product was sent to me years ago. Honestly, it's like 2-3 years ago, and I have been buying it ever since. This is the Aussie 3-minute miracle treatment. Now, I know you're going to be like, what are you going to do in 3 minutes? Give me a second. Give me a second, sis. So basically you can use this as a pre-poo if you want, if your hair is in between your washing goals or you are in between your twist outs and you want to just apply a treatment to your hair to help detangle. This is a really good option. I use this a lot on my kids because their hair is a little bit of a curlier texture than mine is, and it works really well to help detangle. I also like this because it does have a coconut extract in it, and it helps to just really grab onto the hair, and it really makes the curls pop. So for my natural girls who love to do a wash and go, or you just like to wear your hair in 2-strand twists and you really want to get some definition in your curls, I highly recommend that you try out this Aussie brand, this Aussie line. And I just like to really use this as a weekly or bi-weekly hydrating treatment. If I'm doing something really fast and I don't have time to really sit with a deep conditioner, this does the trick. Revitalizes my hair, gets the curls to pop, and works well on kids to detangle. So highly recommend this one. So now we're going to talk about a few of the hair masks that I like to use. If you guys are OGs to my channel, like I said, if you're not, hold on. Hold up. If you are not an OG to my channel, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because baby, I'm gonna be giving y'all all the I'm the plug. Damn. So now we're going to jump into the hair mask. But before we jump into the hair mask, I do want to let you guys know something. I have a complete comprehensive list of all of the deep conditioners that I like, and I have them listed from moisture, protein, hydrators, moisture mask. I have all of that written out on my blog at ChimereNicole.com. So if you guys want to see a complete list of all of the deep conditioners I recommend, I'm going to leave that link in the video description so that you guys can do your own research. You can do price comparisons. You can look at the brands that I like to use from time to time. And I want to make sure that I give you guys a lot of options depending on what you need for your hair. So I'll leave my blog link in the video description so that you guys can see a comprehensive list of all of the conditioners I recommend. So I did a video review a few years back on this Coco and Eve hair mask. I still love it. I still use it. This is their Coconut and Eve Fig hair mask. And I like this mask because I find that when I use this, I have a lot of shine in my hair. Your hair is just shiny and beautiful. I love this mask for that. I'm not sure if it is the coconut or if it is the fig. Don't get me lying, girl, because I can't tell you, but I absolutely love that for this. It also helps to prevent frizz, and that is also a problem that I have, so I love it for that as well. But this hair mask is quite heavy. A little does go a long way. So I apply this and I leave this on for about 30 minutes, and then I rinse it with cool water, and the shine and the frizz is almost eliminated, and it works really well. This next hair mask I actually picked up on a whim. I was in Burlington Coat Factory out of all of the places, and I kind of like to go in their beauty section to find new products and see what's new or anything I haven't heard of. And I found this Maui Moisture deep conditioner, and for the price it was actually on sale for $5. I said it's $5. If I don't like it, worst case scenario, you know, my hair is soft for a few minutes, and then, you know, whatever. It's a conditioner, right? I'm going to use it. I was pleasantly surprised that I like this brand. So this one is the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask, and it is designed for dry and damaged hair. Listen, this stuff, one, it smells amazing, and you know how we are with our smells. It smells absolutely amazing. I do like coconut oil, but I don't like the smell of anything coconut. So normally when I'm purchasing products, if I can smell coconut, it kind of turns me off. This does not smell like coconut at all. It just smells, it smells like you're going on a island or something like that. Like you just got off the plane and you're on a tropical island. This is what it smells like. I like this product because it's great for hair that is high porosity. It's going to be able to really get into the cuticle and help to seal that cuticle, but it's not going to just like moisturize the hair for 5 minutes and then, you know, an hour later your hair is just dry and all of that. So high porosity hair, this works really well for you. I also like the fact that this product has shea butter in it, and it also has aloe vera juice. And if you're new to my channel, you know how much I love aloe vera, how much I rave about aloe vera. I have tons of video of me using aloe vera and using it in my own hair care products. Aloe vera is clutch, okay? So the fact that it had aloe vera in here just sold me completely. And of course, shea butter. You guys know I love shea butter as well, especially for my hair, because my hair is on the thicker side and it is very coarse. So all of those ingredients help to really soften the hair. They penetrate the hair shaft, and it doesn't just sit on the hair. It actually penetrates and works to help repair the damage. So this Maui Moisture conditioner, A1, absolutely love it. And because I got it on sale, I love it even more. So now we're going to get into all of the intense, strong, my hair is breaking off, I don't know what to do, I'm bald headed, I don't got no edges, conditioners, okay? These are the conditioners that I seriously recommend only if you are at your wit's end, you don't know what to do, and you cannot get to a licensed professional. And I have to give you a disclaimer, because these deep conditioners do have protein in them, and I know a lot of you are protein sensitive when it comes to your hair. I don't want you to experience protein overload, so please be very cautious and mindful in the ways in which you use these products, okay? That's my disclaimer. So let's jump into it. One of my favorite products, I've been using it, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say this, 10 plus years. Matter of fact, the next few products I'm going to show you guys I've been using for over 10 years, okay? I'm not even kidding. So this one is the Avalon or Affirm 5-in-1 Reconstructor. This, just like the brands that I showed you previously, have been made for hair that is a part of a relaxer system. So that means that when you are getting a chemical relaxer, they give you products that you are supposed to use in a sequence to help to restore the pH, help to restore the bonds in which you broke down in the chemical process to give the hair its natural luster and shine back after your chemical treatment. I like to use this when my clients have relaxed hair, but I also love this on my natural girls. Absolutely love it. This is a 5-in-1 reconstructor. It has argan oil in it, and it has a few other essential oils in here, but this literally does 5-in-1 things, and I love it so much because you're able to use it on relaxer and natural hair. But so this product in particular, because it has a pH of 4.5, this is made for people who have damage in lip hair, okay? So anybody who is chemically treated and they are over processed with either relaxer, they're over processed with color, they're over processed from bleaching and highlights, this works really well. I love to use this with a wide tooth comb. Oh, the way that this product deep conditions the hair and detangles, listen, Oh, I wanted to give you a really quick disclaimer. If you are relaxed and you want to use this product, you do not use this product the same day that you do a relaxer. You use it 2 weeks after, because you don't want to apply protein after doing a relaxer treatment, okay? FYI. Let's go. So we are going to stay on the professional hair care system, and this is the Positive Link conditioner. Love this stuff too. I personally like this more for people who are relaxed versus, I use this on my clients who are natural, but I find that this works better with my clients who have relaxed hair, because typically the cuticle has been broken down during that chemical process. I find that this product just kind of penetrates better. When I use this on my naturals, they have to sit under the dryer for longer periods of time to get the same level of conditioner that I can give someone who has relaxed hair, who would only have to put this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Natural hair would have to be 15 to 30 minutes. So I just have to work harder to get the same levels of moisture using this one for natural hair, but it can be used for natural hair, but I use it for relaxer. So I use this conditioner after every chemical treatment. So relaxer, hair color, highlights, high lift bleaching. I'm going to be using this because this is the heavy duty stuff, okay? This is going to help to seal the hair, to repair the damage, and also to keep the porosity of the hair low, as well as the pH in the hair. Again, even though I do like to use the 5-in-1 reconstructor, let's just say for the sake of conversation, I can't use this, I don't have anymore. This is a reconstructor when used on the hair for 30 minutes or more. Only with relaxed hair. It is not going to really reconstruct natural hair because the hair is not broken down through the chemical process. But if you are a relaxed girl and you need a reconstructor, leaving this on for 30 minutes is going to give you the reconstructing properties and give you a little more protein in your hair to help to restore the damage. We talked about this product a little bit earlier, but I'm going to talk about it again. This is the famous Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Again, this is almost like a liquid protein. Be very cautious when using this. Again, if you are relaxed, chemically treated, this is for you. Natural hair typically does not need this. So if you're a natural girl, I would personally, this is my professional recommendation, I would personally recommend that you stay away from this one if your hair is natural, because this is a lot of protein, and you can cause more harm than good by applying this to your hair, especially if you're not too familiar with the brand or you're really not sure what conditioners to use and you're kind of like, if you have to think about it, this ain't for you. This is going to put the protein in your hair. This is going to balance the protein out and give you more of a moisture. It's going to soften the hair back up, put the pH balance back into the hair, and you're going to notice that your hair is going to feel like hair again. So it's going to go from straw to healthy, normal hair again. So it has to be done in 2 steps. You cannot use one without the other unless you're just using this one by itself. So the Aphogee 2-step treatment is a oldie but goodie. Highly recommended, especially if you are chemically treated. But my natural girls, I would recommend that you kind of stay away from this one because it is very strong. So my final intensive treatment is one of my all-time favorites, and I can talk about this for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible. But this, out of all the conditioners I showed you guys, if you can get your hands on all of these products, this is what I recommend. This is the KeraFuse Intensive Deep Conditioner by Mizani. Why do I like this? It is made from a wheat protein, and I don't like to apply pure protein to the hair unless it is an emergency, okay? This deep conditioner works in combination with other products. Let's talk about it. So remember the Moisture Fuse product I showed you guys earlier by Mizani? This works hand in hand. This is a part of their custom blend collection. Custom blend is where you take a combination of conditioners in different ratios and you will custom blend the conditioner for the person's hair type. There are 3 products that you would use together, and they are the Moisture Fuse, there is another product called HydroFuse, and then there is KeraFuse. It would be 3 products you would use in different ratios on the person's head, but because I ran out of HydroFuse, I use my favorite hydrator, which is the same thing as the HydroFuse, and I use all of these 3 together, okay? So this whole collection is like my all-time favorite conditioners because, again, I can customize it for every hair type. It doesn't matter if you have fine hair, damaged hair, blue, red hair. It does not matter. Everyone is going to get a different deep conditioner every time I use it because I'm using the products in different ratios depending on the hair needs. So if you come in one week and your hair is fine, then I'll probably just use the Moisture Fuse and the hydrator together. If you come in one day and then you're like, oh, it's damaged, or I did some heat styling and I messed it up, then I know I can add a little more protein, some HydroFuse and some KeraFuse, and mix them all together. So I love these products because you're able to interchange them and custom blend it to the person's hair type and get the results you're looking for. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this conditioner haul. These are all the conditioners that I love and I trust and I've been using for years. The conditioners that I use on my hair, I use on my kids, I use on my clients, and the conditioners that I know work and deliver the results. Don't forget, I do have a comprehensive list of all the conditioners that I recommend on my blog. I will link that below in the video description. And I want you guys to let me know what your favorite deep conditioner is right now. Maybe I have not heard of it and I would love to try them out because I'm always on the hunt for deep conditioners. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next video.